Hi everyone and welcome to Clean Up with Kelly. Today I'm going to be reviewing and showing you this product by L'Oreal. It is the Extra Bleach Blonde Intense One-Step Lightening System. I have bleached my hair a few months ago with like a regular powder bleach from Sally's. I saw this and I decided to do a review on it. I haven't seen a review done on this with already bleached hair. I also have some Wella T18 toner and I'm going to be using that as well to lighten it up if it turns too yellow. I am not a professional. If you do try these products, do at your own risk. I do this at home. I've done my hair for a while and I'm comfortable doing it. But no, I'm not a hairstylist. If you are able to see one, I definitely recommend you see one. I'm a stay-at-home mom and this is just something that works for us right now. So with that said, I'm going to show you everything I'm using and get started. I'm going to start off by showing you what came in the box. So here is the front of the box by L'Oreal. It cost me about $8. So I'm just kind of showing you what came with it. So there is a shimmering gel, and then the bottle here, you mix all the powder and everything in this bottle, and there is a tip that I did not find, but I ended up mixing everything in a bowl. So this is the powder that you mixed in, and then lastly the conditioner that you use at the end. It also comes with instructions, and actually it has some gloves in here, but they were really big, so I ended up not using them very long. Here's some things that I already have: a bunch of hair clips, my Wella T18 in the lightest ash blonde, that's my toner, and my Salon Care 20 volume, and my trusty towel. Next, I'm just going to drape the towel around and brush and clip my hair up. So I'm just going to be sectioning my hair, starting with the top and doing as many little pieces as possible, and then I'm going to leave the bottom layer down and start there and work my way up. So it says to mix the shimmering gel and then the 2 packets into the bottle and put the cap on top and shake it. Since I did not have the tip, I'm pretty sure it came with it, I think it got misplaced. I ended up putting everything in the bowl anyway and mixing it together. Alright, so I'm going to show you my technique for getting the ombre look. I like to take a comb and tease top and bottom, and then I will paint the color and make sure I focus on the ends, get it nice and saturated, and then I kind of lightly feather it up to the length where I want the color to be, and that way it's not a super harsh line and it kind of fades together. And then over time, if you have a brown color, that usually washes and it kind of lightens up anyways, so it makes it more of a gradual ombre look. I like to also use my fingers to kind of smudge it and make sure that the color isn't just blobbed on one area. So I will take my fingers and kind of move it up and down my hair just to get it to fade a little bit better. The instructions say to leave the hair color on for 30 to 60 minutes at the longest. I ended up just putting it on for 25 minutes because it was already bleached hair and I didn't want to over process it. So I'm gonna let you watch how I do the rest of my hair, and then I will show you my toner and then finally the final look. I also wanted to mention this is exactly what I did when I bleached it the first time. The only difference is that I would wrap every piece in foil and leave it on because it was actual bleach. This is not bleach, so there was no need for the foil. As with any hair dye, you want to make sure that the area you're working in is well ventilated. This particular box was very strong, so I had to go ahead and open another window, and I already had the fan going. But yeah, you want to make sure it is a well ventilated area and you're not closed in to a small bathroom with no windows open. That would not be good. This bottle came with a lot of products, so if you have a lot of hair, I would maybe get 2 boxes and you should be okay. So here's what it looks like after I rinsed everything out. It did lighten it pretty good on its own, but I'm going to go ahead and put the Wella toner in just to make it more of a lighter platinum blonde. But for a box color, I think it did a pretty good job. Okay, so here is my hair. I let it towel dry a little bit. I'm going to blow dry this and style it, and then I will show you. I styled it, I put some oil in it and straightened it and everything. I actually think it turned out pretty good. There's definitely some damage here, but nothing like really bad, nothing really fell out. I was able to put my hot straightener on it and it was totally fine. I did use a protector that I will link below. Actually on the instructions it says do not use this on bleached hair. But I figured since it was a few months ago since I bleached it, left it on for 25 minutes or so, and it says from 30 to 60 minutes. I figured I was playing it safe, I was watching it, and the toner definitely helped. A little bit lighter, a little bit less yellow and brassy. So I'm actually really happy with it. You know, for $8, I think that was a pretty good deal. Just need to kind of keep up on the toning. I didn't really know what to expect. Hope that you enjoyed this video. If this is your first time to my channel, I invite you to take a look around. If you find anything that you like, then I hope that you consider subscribing. But yeah, pretty happy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.